Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about the Database Migration Service, or DMS for short. As the name suggests, it's quite a straightforward service and it helps you migrate data from one database to another. The database can be outside of AWS, so you're migrating from on-premise into AWS, or the database can be inside AWS already. It could be migrating from a database you have on an EC2 instance into RDS, or within RDS, or into Redshift, and so on. Basically, helps you migrate data from one database into another. Two important things to note is that it allows you to do homogeneous migrations. Basically, if it's from one type of database to the same type, MySQL in this case, through DMS goes into MySQL. For example, you have MySQL on-premise and goes into MySQL on RDS. Or it can do heterogeneous migration. For example, you have an Oracle database and you want to use DMS to migrate to PostgreSQL. So it supports both types. Another important thing to note for the exam is that the original database stays live during migration, so it's a huge advantage. And you can use it for one-off migrations to permanently move some data, or ongoing migrations, to, for example, to perform analytics in the cloud. That's all on Database Migration Service. So whenever you see on the exam migrating data from one database to another, think Database Migration Service, or DMS. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.